morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mariah if you're new here. Make sure to subscribe down below for more videos and follow me on Instagram at Mariah Macdonald Tweets and Tweets. It's Friday. Is it Friday? It's Friday. I thought it was Saturday. It's Friday and we're gonna go to Dunkin' Donuts because it's the last free donut day.
And aromas.
And Don wants to go to Aroma Joe so he can get a rush. Yeah, happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Caramel floral black. Anything else?
And a blueberry donut.
We're actually all out of the blueberry donuts. I have blueberry muffins.
Whatever you want.
Do a chocolate glazed.
And one chocolate glazed donut. Anything else for you today?
That'd be it.
Thank you.
How many times have we tried this?
I don't know. 400 times.
I think we have literally tried to get a blueberry donut like 3 times and they're all out every single time. Alright, so we are home. I showered. I put on real jeans and a real shirt. I'm gonna do my makeup and hair in a little bit. But I have some stuff to decorate for my dad's birthday. So I got some balloons. We just got some napkins. This was Dylan's pick. We got those what are these called? Party blowouts is what it says. Where you blow it and it goes you know. And then just a little banner. So I'm gonna put all this up right now and then we'll have lunch in a little bit. I'm getting hungry. I just had a few bites of last night's pad CU. But I'm gonna put these up and then maybe really have some lunch. Okay, so it's been a bit and you literally can't see it because it's backlit. Because it's right at the window, but we finished setting this up hours ago and I took a nap, but my camera died so it was charging. And now it's what time is it?
It's almost 3 o'clock, 2:45.
Oh gosh. So I'm gonna go put some makeup on and then get ready for the party.
Party, party.
Yeah. She's a real human. I don't remember the last time I did my makeup and my hair. I think it was Easter. Okay, so I just threw a few curls in my hair. I didn't do it crazy, just easy. But I put it back because I'm gonna go prep the cookie dough for my dad's cookies so that I don't have to stand in the kitchen and make them while everyone's here. So I'm gonna go do that and then just put it in the fridge and then maybe prep start cutting the veggies for dinner. I don't know. I've never hosted this before, you know. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Just been listening to podcasts, watching videos. Dylan's downstairs watching a movie if you can hear that. This is smudgy. There we go. So yeah, I'm gonna go prep the cookie dough. Getting set up. We have the water glasses, napkins, mixer for the margs, plates, and Dylan's gaming chair. No, we have 5 people, so we need an extra chair. And we're discovering that these are the only plates that we have in a set of 5. And then we're gonna do chips on here and then guac and salsa in there. Got the Oh, now you can kind of see the stuff. Nope, it went black again. So yeah. Ready to pot. Oh, can you take that trash out, please? Alright, I'm gonna just cut up the veggies now. So we're gonna do 1 red pepper. I don't even know what I almost said. 1 red pepper, 1 yellow pepper. I have half of a green pepper, half of a white onion, and a full white onion. Also the chicken, but I'm gonna wait on that. So I'm just gonna chop all these up so that this chips over there. I still need to put salsa and guac in those bowls. Also, I cut my finger. I have the sheets ready to go in for the fajitas. I should probably turn the oven on. Yeah, because they take like 20 minutes to make. I forget what you put it on. 425? 420? We'll go with 420. And then in here, I just put all of the chicken and veggies in a bag and the seasoning and everything and shook it up. I have oatmeal raisin cookies ready to go, some with chocolate chips ready to go, and then the leftover batter if we need to make more.
Do not open this birthday card unless you are intelligent, witty, and charming. Yeah. Let's say 100K.
What?
You don't owe. Day over 40. Oh, that's nice. Thank you.
Let's do Ryan today. Oh, you're 58 today.
What?
So funny.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dadu. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you very much.
What'd you wish for?
You to sing.
Alright, that was our night. We ended the night with a little bit of poker. It was really fun. It was fun to have them here and like have some social interaction and play poker. That was fun. I haven't played that in a long time. But Dylan and I cleaned up. He did all the dishes, which was really nice. And now I'm gonna go take my makeup off and go upstairs. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Look out for a new video tomorrow. Subscribe down below.
Hey.
And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
See you guys.